Okay guys, I'm out in the backyard and I'm going to be playing with my little mini LMT. It's a nice little car. I should take it out more. I've got a bunch of different little ramps set up. They're nothing spectacular, but I should be having a good fun time with this good little guy. And, you know, get my skill level up a little maybe. If I'm lucky, I don't know. All right, let's get going.
Still there, buddy. No cheating. I don't know what's going to happen here. I'm kind of crooked. Out on my feet. Oh. Can you self-right? Probably not. Oh, well. Points deducted. I don't know, this might be kind of difficult, man. Oh. Wait a minute. Can you do it? Not much of a crawler, that's for sure. I know I could do it, but it's going to have to be jamming, buddy. And I don't think it's going to go straight. All right. Can you get off the top of this guy at least, Steve? Okay. Back to the beginning. Run up on this guy. Well, like they say, even a blind chicken gets a kernel sometimes.